Hey guys, I'm Isabelle,
And I'm Gavin.
and we are CMCI Peer Career Advisors.
And we're going to answer some questions to help prepare you for the next career fair.
This or that, bring a resume or take a business card.
I would say bring a resume because the chance to build rapport at this career fair is going to give you a better chance at them looking at your resume. If you were to do only one thing to prepare for the career fair, what would it be?
Print out a few resumes to hand out to employers so they can see all the cool experience that you have.
What are your top 3 tips for standing out at the career fair?
Well, I would definitely dress professionally, wear something that makes you feel your best. I would also do a little bit of research on the employers that are going to the career fair. And most importantly, just be confident and be yourself. The employers are so excited to meet you. What are your top 3 tips for nailing an interview?
I would say be yourself, be confident, and don't sell yourself short. CU has interview questions online that you can prep yourself with. And if you have additional questions, you can meet with one of us in career services. What career resources do I have access to as a student?
You can take a free headshot in our headshot machine named Iris in the C4C. You can meet with one of us to get your resume, cover letter revised, ask us general or specific career advice questions. And you also have access to so many amazing workshops that cover a variety of different topics.